How to solve x for x is equal to 3 power of 18. What is the value of x? So we have x power x is equal to 3 power of 18 can be written as 3 power of 2 times 9. Now we have x power x is equal to 3 power of 2 times 9 can be written as 3 power 2 then bracket power of 9. According to this rule, a power of m times n is equal to a power m bracket power n. So we have x power x is equal to 3 power 2 is same as 9, then 3 power 2 is same as 9, then power of 9. Now here we can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, we can compare here. So x will be equal to 9. So 9, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 24 plus 4 to the power 24 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 24. First bracket start this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 24 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 24 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 24, that means 48 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 48 plus 1, that means 49. So 2 to the power 49 is the correct answer.